Crows are not just ordinary birds with black feathers. In fact, their feathers are a marvel of nature, holding secrets and wonders that science has only begun to uncover. Crow feathers, black as midnight, are actually made up of layers upon layers of pigment cells. These pigment cells contain melanin, a natural pigment responsible for their dark color. But it's not just about the color. Each feather is a work of art, designed for maximum efficiency. The barbs and barbules are intricately arranged to provide the crow with the perfect balance of lift and drag, enabling them to soar through the sky with ease. The structure of crow feathers also provides them with an incredible level of protection. The feathers, especially on their wings, are tough and resilient, capable of withstanding harsh weather conditions and even fending off predators. Crows are also known for their intelligence, and their feathers play a role in this as well. The feathers on their head are fluffy and soft, providing them with the ability to manipulate their appearance and send signals to other crows. This helps them communicate, warn each other of danger, and work together to solve problems. But the wonders of crow feathers don't end there. Researchers have discovered that crow feathers can change color under certain conditions, such as when the bird is excited or when they are sick. This is due to the way the pigment cells interact with light, creating a stunning display of iridescence. In addition, crow feathers are used in a variety of applications, from art and fashion to science and medicine. Feathers have been used to create beautiful works of art, such as the crow feather headdresses worn by Native American tribes. They are also used in scientific research to study the structure and function of bird feathers, helping us to understand more about the natural world. So the next time you see a crow, take a moment to appreciate the beauty and wonder of their feathers. They are not just black, they are a masterpiece of nature's design, full of secrets waiting to be discovered.